Eggs. Mother Nature's gift to all of us, especially to us in the culinary world. They're simple ingredients for a nice, fluffy, scrambled egg. I want to make sure I have lots of air into my eggs. By whisking up and down, rather than a side to side, I'm not pushing them around, I'm actually getting air into them. I'm looking for the same color and texture throughout the mixture, making sure those yolks and the whites are completely distributed against each other, and almost a paler color. You can actually see little bubbles too. It's called aerating. Just meaning there's lots of air in there. Perfect. Yes. I love talking about eggs. I love working with eggs. With my scrambled eggs, I love to use chives. Chives are grassy and dewy and fresh. They're not too strong in onion flavor. They just overall add a nice brightness to a dish, especially a nice, simple egg. So about 20 years of cooking behind me, I had an old chef teach me a technique called the claw. So I'm making sure that my knuckles are flat and everything like my fingertips are tucked in. I call it the sticky claw because when I'm moving through, it doesn't leave my fingers. Keeping my fingers in, nice strokes all the way through. You can smell the chives already. It's great. My scrambled eggs, I like butter. I like to brown the butter just a little bit for more flavor. Low to medium heat. Some scrambled eggs, you can have an almost cottage cheese-like texture. So that means there's little curds. I like to have a big, softer curd throughout it. I just find it adds to the fluffiness. Scrambled eggs are one of those dishes that can get passed on. I remember my mom teaching me how, and it's a dish that I can cook with my 4-year-old son, Russell. Not only is it a dish that can be done quick, but he also likes to make a little mess with the eggs. So like all proteins, it will carry over cooking. Look at those big, fluffy curds. So, different technique, the exact same ingredients.
Chef.
Thank you very much.
Very welcome.
Again, a little more fluffy, a little bit of air. Adding my butter again. With a French omelet, I don't want too much browning. They like pale omelets. Once that butter is nice and bubbly, perfect. Quick pushes from the side to the center. And this is a 3-fold omelet. A little tilt. I want to make sure it's still a little bit runny. And that first fold. It's a nice little tilt, because then you'll get that middle to really get nice and gooey. All right, and for that final fold, and that's finishing it on the plate. And you can smell the melted butter. Still nice and pale, not too much color. And those delicious chives I was talking about. So exact same ingredients, 2 different techniques. One that you can have with a 4-year-old, and the other that you can serve to some guests and impress them.